Are you seeking a new smartphone that fuses cutting-edge technology, striking photography capabilities, and thoughtful design? Enter the Galaxy S24 Ultra from Samsung. This device, a marvel of modern technology, boasts a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display that's nothing short of dynamic. Experience vibrant hues and ultra-smooth visuals like you've never seen before, all on this expansive screen. This versatile device is perfect whether you're a movie buff, a gaming enthusiast, or an avid social media user. The S24 Ultra doesn't stop at just delivering an outstanding visual experience. It takes sophistication to a level with its titanium frame. Designed for both visual appeal and durability, it is built to resist everyday wear, ensuring your smartphone stays as sleek as the day you bought it. The S24 Ultra's slimmer bezels further accentuate its aesthetic appeal. In terms of aesthetics, the S24 Ultra's slimmer bezels enhance the overall look, making it a sight to behold. Now, have you ever thought of owning a pocket-sized professional camera? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra makes this dream a reality. This smartphone is not just a communication device, it's a powerful photography tool, thanks to its quad-camera system. Let's unpack this, shall we? First up, we have a 200-megapixel wide-angle sensor, a marvel of modern technology that can capture stunning photos with incredible detail. Imagine the landscapes, portraits, and candid moments you'll be able to immortalize with this powerhouse in your hands. Next, there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This lens expands your field of view, allowing you to capture more of the world in a single frame. Perfect for those breathtaking panoramic shots or group photos where you don't want to miss anyone out. The 50-megapixel telephoto lens takes things a notch higher, with its 5x optical zoom and 10x optical quality zoom. Whether you're capturing a distant landmark or the intricate details of a flower, this lens ensures you don't miss a thing. The 10-megapixel periscope lens, with its 3x optical zoom, offers a unique perspective, adding more depth and dimension to your photos. And let's not forget the 12-megapixel selfie camera. It's designed to make your selfies stand out, delivering clear, vibrant images that are sure to impress. With the S24 Ultra, you carry a professional camera in your pocket ready to capture every moment in stunning detail. How about a phone that keeps up with your busy schedule without needing a recharge? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra does just that, packing a whopping 5,000 mAh battery. Imagine all the calls, texts, photos, and videos you can handle without constantly hunting for a power outlet. And when it does need a bit of juice, it supports 45-watt wired and wireless charging, getting you back on track in no time. But a phone is more than just a battery, right? The S24 Ultra comes with a host of additional features that will make your life easier and more fun. It includes an embedded S Pen, perfect for jotting down quick notes, sketching out your next masterpiece, or just navigating your phone with pinpoint accuracy. The Circle to Search feature is a game changer. Simply circle an item while scrolling or watching videos to get instant Google search results. And with the Live Translate feature, language barriers become a thing of the past. You can now communicate with people from all over the world seamlessly. The Note Assist feature uses artificial intelligence to summarize lengthy notes into concise, easy-to-review summaries, perfect for those long lectures or meetings. And let's not forget about durability. The S24 Ultra is IP68 water and dust resistant, making it ready for any adventure you embark on. The S24 Ultra is more than just a phone. It is an assistant, an artist's tool, and a resilient companion ready for any adventure. Are you conscious of your environmental footprint? Samsung certainly is. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, they've taken a significant stride towards sustainability. The components of this impressive device are not just technologically advanced, but they're also eco-friendly. Samsung has incorporated sustainable and recycled materials into the design, minimizing waste and emphasizing a commitment to our planet. But it doesn't stop there. When you receive your brand new S24 Ultra, it comes in a box made entirely from recycled paper. No detail is too small when it comes to preserving our environment. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a powerhouse that combines cutting-edge technology, stunning photography capabilities, and thoughtful design in an eco-friendly package. It's not just a phone, it's a statement for a sustainable future. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends.